Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the? In this video, we will look at some of the on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yonex EZONE 100L. Yonex EZONE 100L, 285G, 2022 tennis racket, lightweight performance with power and comfort. Step onto the court with confidence using the Yonex EZONE 100L, 285G, 2022 tennis racket, designed for players seeking a perfect balance of power, comfort, and control. At just 285 grams unstrung, this lightweight frame offers effortless maneuverability, making it ideal for adults at all skill levels, from beginners to intermediate players looking to elevate their game. Crafted from high-quality graphite, the EZONE 100L ensures exceptional durability while providing a solid yet flexible feel at impact. It's 100 square in head size and 27-inch length give players a generous sweet spot, reducing mishits and enhancing shot consistency. The graphite shaft and frame construction is engineered for stability, while the optimized design delivers both explosive power and smooth handling. Yonex's advanced technologies, including its signature isometric head shape, maximize the effective hitting area, giving players more control and confidence in every stroke. The 4 1/8 grip size offers a secure and comfortable hold, perfect for extended practice sessions and competitive matches alike. Whether you're working on ground strokes, serves, or volleys, the EZONE 100L offers a balanced feel that suits aggressive baseliners and all-court players. Its lightweight design also makes it easier on the arm, helping reduce fatigue without sacrificing performance. Upgrade your game with the Yonex EZONE 100L, 285G 2022 tennis racket, a versatile choice for players who demand precision, comfort, and power in one sleek package. Number 2. Babolat Pure Drive 110T. Babolat Pure Drive 110 tennis racket, 10th gen, strung with 16G Babolats in gut, white string, 4 1/8 inches grip. The Babolat Pure Drive 110, 10th gen, is designed for players who want effortless power, comfort, and precision in one racket. Pre-strung with 16G Babolat synthetic gut at mid-range tension, this racket is ready for action right out of the box, making it a perfect choice for both recreational and competitive players. With its 110 square in oversized head, the Pure Drive 110 delivers a generous sweet spot, helping reduce mishits and offering consistent depth on every stroke. Its lightweight construction and 4 1/8 inches grip size provide excellent maneuverability, making it easy to handle during fast-paced rallies, net play, and serves. As part of Babolat's iconic Pure Drive family, this 10th generation model incorporates advanced frame engineering for added stability, responsiveness, and power. The extended length design enhances reach and leverage, allowing players to generate greater spin and pace while maintaining control. The included white synthetic gut stringing offers a perfect balance of playability and durability, giving players solid feedback with every shot. Whether you're improving your consistency or seeking a racket that helps maximize power with less effort, the Pure Drive 110 is built to meet your needs. Ideal for adults at all skill levels, this racket provides the ultimate blend of comfort, forgiveness, and explosive performance, a true game-changer for players who want to elevate their tennis experience. Number 3. Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket. Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket, 4 3/8 inches grip, lightweight graphite frame for spin and power. Unleash your inner champion with the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket, designed in collaboration with Rafael Nadal for players who demand maximum spin, explosive power, and uncompromising performance. Crafted with premium graphite, this racket combines lightweight agility with rock-solid stability, giving advanced players the tools to dominate from the baseline and control rallies with confidence. Weighing just 289 grams unstrung, the Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen is engineered for quick swings and effortless acceleration, allowing you to generate heavy topspin and penetrating shots. The 100 square in head size and aerodynamic frame design maximize racket head speed, helping you produce Nadal-inspired spin and depth with every stroke. The 4 3/8 inches grip size offers a secure, comfortable hold, while the balanced construction ensures both power and precision on ground strokes, volleys, and serves. Whether you're grinding out long rallies or finishing points at the net, this racket provides the perfect blend of aggression and control. As part of Babolat's legendary Pure Aero line, the Rafa 2nd Gen features enhanced frame technology that absorbs vibrations and increases comfort, reducing arm strain while maintaining responsiveness. Its bold design, inspired by Nadal's iconic style, makes a powerful statement on the court. Ideal for advanced adult players, the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen delivers unmatched spin, stability, and explosive performance, built for those ready to take their game to the next level. Number 4. Wilson Blade 98. Wilson Blade 98, 16 by 19, V9 unstrung performance tennis racket, grip size 3, 4 and 3/8 inches, advanced player frame. Take control of your game with the Wilson Blade 98, 16 by 19, V9 performance tennis racket, a top choice for advanced players who demand precision, feel, and consistency. Known for its tour-level performance, the Blade series is trusted by some of the world's best players, and the V9 edition brings refined design and upgraded technology to help you dominate every rally. Weighing 305 grams unstrung, the Blade 98 offers a perfect balance of stability and maneuverability, allowing aggressive baseliners and all-court players to swing confidently with power and control. The 16 by 19 string pattern delivers excellent spin potential and lively response, while the 98 square in head size gives players pinpoint accuracy without sacrificing forgiveness. Constructed from braided graphite and basalt, the racket provides a flexible yet solid feel, enhancing ball pocketing and shot control. Its frame direct technology ensures a smooth, connected feel, reducing vibrations for greater comfort during long matches. The 4 and 3/8 inches grip size, grip 3, offers a comfortable, secure hold for precise shot execution and quick transitions between strokes. Unstrung and ready for customization, the Wilson Blade 98 V9 lets players choose their preferred string setup to maximize performance. With its sleek, modern design and professional-grade construction, this racket is built for players who value accuracy, spin, and a connected feel on every shot. Ideal for advanced adult players, the Wilson Blade 98, 16 by 19, V9 is the ultimate performance racket to elevate your competitive edge. Number 5. Head 2022 Speed. Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket, 4.5 inches grip, graphite 360 plus frame for power and control. The Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket is built for players who crave speed, precision, and versatility on the court. Designed with a perfect balance of power and control, this racket is a favorite choice among intermediate to advanced players who want to dominate fast-paced rallies without sacrificing feel or accuracy. Featuring graphite 360 plus frame and shaft construction, the Speed MP delivers exceptional stability and enhanced energy transfer. Head's advanced spiral fibers technology improves flex and provides a clean, crisp impact feel, giving you confidence in every stroke. Its 100 square in head size creates a generous sweet spot, ensuring consistency across ground strokes, serves, and volleys. Weighing just 11.1 ounces, the Speed MP offers excellent maneuverability, allowing players to react quickly and swing effortlessly. The 4.5 inches grip size provides a secure and comfortable hold, reducing hand fatigue during long matches. Whether you're striking aggressive baseline shots or moving in for controlled net play, this racket adapts seamlessly to your style. With its sleek design and tour-inspired performance, the Head 2022 Speed MP is ideal for adults at all skill levels looking to elevate their game. Its blend of lightweight feel, explosive power, and reliable control makes it a racket you can trust in every situation. Step onto the court with the Head Speed MP 2022, a racket engineered for modern tennis, offering the speed and precision you need to stay ahead of the competition.